Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, click on Edge Panels. After click on Edge Panels and click on Panels. If you want to use built-in ruler, so select Tools. After select Tools, go back to home screen and open. So you will click on Edge Panel and click on Cancel and click on this three dot icon and click on ruler. If you want to use ruler, so you will see hold phone and you will increase and you will click on done and you will use ruler from here. After the process, click on screen. So that's how you can use built-in ruler on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.